Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 68 Ford Galaxie. This comes from Mike in Wadsworth, Illinois. Mike has requested the modern internal FM conversion with the Bluetooth USB reader features and also my pretty cool master input-output box, which has an extra hole in it for some weird reason. Anyway, there's nothing that's supposed to go in that hole. It's just a hole. And this has your left and right preamp outputs, your subwoofer output. If you want to use an external amplifier with super powerful speakers, that's how you can do it. And then, of course, this is your aux input. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get so that we can check the some of the other functions. So let's turn it on to AM.
lcooper.com.
Okay, and we're going to need our speaker output meters.
Working class Americans.
Okay, left, right balance, all the way left,
living in a trailer, addiction
right,
issues, and then
left,
rallies all the way back,
right,
comes all the way back, and becomes this overnight sensation.
Okay.
Do you think that's part
and since this is now a radio capable of operating 4 speakers because he's got the new harness on it, we also have a front rear fader now that's in the tone control, and it's activated by turning the tone control twice in the direction of higher tone, or actually twice clockwise. Let's try that.
Wing song. I didn't even think it was a right-wing song.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
And these American values.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
And I think what you see.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. I've got my radio commercial right here.
Amazing people that put their lives on the line, so all of us.
Okay, so there's that. Pull the stick out, radio comes back. Okay, let's go over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So the way we go between AM and FM on a radio that does not have an AM-FM switch is to turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Let's try the presets.
See, now that would have been fun. I went straight up.
Okay, so there's our FM, and let's try the 8-track. Now, on this particular model, I got the 8-track set really hot. You're probably going to want to turn it down before you stick a tape in there.
If you're feeling if you're gonna hear, I will straight. If you chicken and that she might see you smile.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out, and the radio comes back. I've already checked the dial amp to make sure that works because you can't see it anyway in this lighting, but I can see it. So everything is working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I could do to your ancient AM 8-track unit. I can put FM in it, Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, can make the 8-track sound as good as it possibly can with the condition of the head, and so that takes care of that. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, you'll save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. They may not be quite so critical to you, but to me, a 15-minute phone call is extremely disruptive to my work on the bench. So I'd rather make that a 5-minute phone call and for you to get most of your answers from my written material before calling me. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Wadsworth, Illinois, and we'll see you guys next time.